I don't see anyone. Yo, I'll snipe you across the map with my little G18 pistol, nigga.
Story of my life, suppression kill assist, because I can't hit shit.
You know, suppression kill assist is like, you suck at this game, but we kind of feel bad because you kind of need to like level up your character, so... Yeah, tell me more. Oh, fuck you, man!
Calculated. Good job. High five.
Take, oh, yeah, okay. Alright, I
Yo,
see how it is. I see how it
my
is.
frame rate's like...
Leaking blood out of your asshole. Yo, come on. Grow up. Oh, oh, oh! Yeah? Yeah? Fuck, yo, I need...
Oh! Where you at?
Okay. Only you had me on your team. Oh well, that's fine.
You think you're a fucking parkour master, Toonie?
Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my fucking god! Oh! Oh!
I'm tired of running after
Oh! No! Get the camera! Money! Money! Oh my god!
I heard him running. Get your shit. Get your shit out of... Fuck you, man. Close. Yo. Two.
Nigga, get on TF2 and I'll teach you. Let's get on a real man's game.
Can't handle the real Battlefield, yo.
Dude, Battlefield's for scrubs. It's like Call of Duty.
Legends, are you still on here? I haven't killed you in a while.
No, I left. I'm playing TF2 right now.
No, I'm talking about the Legends.
Yeah.
No, there's two of you. Fuck. I know. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I need reinforcements! Help! Assassins! Help! Assassins! I need reinforcements! Assassins! Help! I need reinforcements!